Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by arming the F-117 with precision munitions and a targeting pod. This matters because the jet trades speed for stealth. Taxi and take off with gentle inputs, then climb to a mid-altitude corridor. Keep energy conservative. Once done, switch to your stealth HUD profile and brief your ingress vector. You want minimal radar time. Make sure to check weapon release modes and range markers now, so you're ready to execute the first attack run without fumbling in the cockpit. You begin the attack by hugging terrain or using cloud cover to reduce detection. Fly between 600 and 1200 meters for balance between survivability and pod effectiveness. Use the targeting pod to acquire locks. Observe the range and bomb fall time, because F-117 drops depend on steady headings. Once the reticle is stable, release in a short, deliberate burst, then break off on a pre-planned egress heading. Make sure to reduce radar exposure and avoid turning toward known AAA or SAM sites. You complete the mission by exiting immediately, climb and accelerate along a random vector to spoil enemy tracking. This reduces follow-up engagements. If you're targeting lock breaks, don't reattempt from the same approach. Change altitude or angle, reacquire the target, and try again. Make sure to monitor aircraft damage. If flight controls are impaired, bleed off speed and aim for the nearest friendly runway. Troubleshooting tip: if bombs keep missing, recalibrate release queue by adjusting your indicated ground speed and reticle lead, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.